Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how KFC became one of the most popular fast food chains in the world? How it was found? It all started with one man and his secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. His name was Colonel Sanders. He learned how to cook from his mother. He had many jobs throughout his life, but none of them satisfied him. In 1930, he opened a gas station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he also served meals to travelers. His fried chicken was so delicious that people started coming from miles around to taste it. Later on, he decided to franchise his recipe to other restaurants. He called his franchise Kentucky Fried Chicken. That same year, he sold his company, but remained the face of the brand and continued to travel around the world promoting KFC. His legacy lives on through KFC, which now has more than 24,000 outlets in over 150 countries, and his recipe is still used. So this was a short, informative video about KFC. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.